What's going on, everybody? It's the Home Theater Hobbyist here, and today we have another unboxing for you of a pair of studio monitors from a company called Hercules. These are the Hercules Monitor 5s, so let's get to it. Hercules is an audio company that specializes in wireless speakers and even DJ equipment. On the DJ side, they sell controllers, headphones, speakers, and even software specifically made for DJs. Now, I know a lot of you are wondering why a home theater guy like myself is reviewing a pair of DJ speakers, but these are actually special because these are active speakers, which means they are powered, but they also have RCA inputs along with TRS and balanced inputs. So these can probably be used in any kind of two-channel setup that you may have, whether it be on your computer, with a turntable, or any source device that will output RCA. So I'm looking forward to hearing how these sound because these might sound really good in a two-channel setup. So let's talk about this box. As you can see, it's pretty discreet all the way around. There's not a whole lot of markings on it. The only place where it even says that it's a pair of speakers is right over here where it says Monitor 5 US pair of speakers. Otherwise, you wouldn't know what this was sitting on your porch. But it is kind of tall and just overall a big box. So why don't you make sure you're home when this is delivered so no one's tempted to take it from your house. But otherwise, it's, I don't know, about 17 inches tall, 12 inches deep, and 23 inches wide. And it weighs around 38 pounds shipped. So it's not super heavy, but it is a little bit bulky. So if you have issues carrying things, moving things around the house, you want to make sure you have someone help you or someone that can move it for you wherever you may be. But otherwise, Hercules did a good job with these, and I'm looking forward to getting in this box and also hearing how these sound. Now, we'll be doing a full review on these, so expect to see that in about a week. But enough of that. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this box. Okay, first thing we have here is a box within a box. So I am going to put this box on the floor, pull this box out, and we'll unbox this one. Another box. So I'll put this box on the floor and I'll pull this out. That box says manual included. Shipping foam. The Monitor 5s feature 5-inch woofers with dual bass ports and an amplifier that outputs 80 watts of power RMS. Each speaker has a power switch, volume knob, and 3 different connection types, including RCA, TRS, and XLR inputs. They also feature both high and low frequency adjustment of plus or minus 2 dB. The retail cost is $299 for the pair. So there you have it, the Monitor 5s from Hercules. These were basically triple boxed. That had a shipping box, a retail box, and each speaker was individually boxed. So these were very well taken care of. Inside of those boxes, you got a a manual in one box, along with this adhesive foam to adhere to the bottom of the speaker so you can protect the surface finish and also the furniture on which it sits. And you also get a power cable for each speaker because each speaker has to have power. Now, as you can see along the front here, you've got Hercules up top, and you've also got your tweeter and your woofer down there at the bottom, along with a power switch and the volume selector here. Same as on the other speaker that I have over here. Along the back, you've got different frequency things that you can change, where you're going to change your cutoff, and if you're going to have plus or minus 2 dB of, let's say, high frequency, low frequency. Got your inputs on the side, and you got a power connection down there at the bottom. So these are set up and ready to go if you want to DJ, obviously, but they should be ready to go if you want to just use these in a 2-channel setup. But you will have to make sure that you've got 2 free outlets because you have to plug both of the speakers in. But I will be doing a full review on this, so stay tuned for that. I'll probably have that together in about a week or so. It's going to take 24 to 30 hours or so to break these in, and then I'll start my review process. So stay tuned for that. If you have questions about these speakers, put them in the comment section. If you want to purchase this or anything else from Hercules, why don't you use those links in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. We'll talk to you next time.